Hey, Spencer, you got me, bro?
What?
Check me.
I haven't gotten anything yet. Yep.
We good? Alright. College algebra, we're on you. For those of you joining us at home, we've already worked a couple sets, but you know what? We're good. We're good. Could have been here and had his chicken sandwich too. College algebra, we're right here. Vertex, talk to me tonight.
5-3.
Vertex is 5-3. We're shifting to the right 5 units. We're shifting up 3 units. Concave up, concave down. Cindy, how do I know? Yes. So how do I know whether it's going to go down or whether it's going to go up? I look for one thing and one thing only. He's like, great question. Wish I had thought of it. How do we know if it's up or down?
If it's negative.
What's negative?
I don't know how to say it. It's like in front of the egg.
Okay. Steve, is that what you're going to say? Okay. -2 here says it's concave down. -2 in front means it's concave down. All right. Steve, domain, go.
Negative infinity, positive infinity.
Negative infinity to infinity. Range, go.
Oh,
Steve.
me, okay. Range, negative infinity to 3.
Bracket or parentheses?
Bracket.
Why?
I just know it that.
Okay. Just know it. All right. It touches the 3.
But I would like the explanation.
Yeah, because it touches 3. So that point is the vertex is 5-3. It's up to and including 5-3. So because it touches the 3, we put a bracket on there. Increasing. Z-Dog.
Negative infinity to 5.
Negative infinity to 5. I agree. Decreasing.
5 to infinity.
5 to infinity. Very good. All right. Is the vertex a maximum or a minimum? What is the maximum? What's the equation of the axis of symmetry? And then write the equation ax squared plus bx plus c with x-intercepts (6) and -7/2. Go. 1140, we on you. 1140, we on you. Synthetic division. Synthetic division. -3, 2, 0, -4, 7. Why am I putting the 0 there, Lily? Oh wait, you're in statistics, you don't know. Wrong course. What's up, baby? Why am I putting the 0 there? There's not an x squared. So we got the 2 here. We got -6, -6, 18, 14, -42, -35.
I got English 42. Oh, sorry.
Wrong class, baby. All we good? Who else is pre-calc? Anybody?
Does that say 7 over 2?
-7 over 2.
Negative, yeah.
Yeah. -7 over 2 is done. You good, babe?
So then you just, the bottom with like the 2, -6, 14, and then -35, you just add it all together? And then
Nope.
Or what is it?
Alpha of -3 is -35.
Oh, so you just take the last number?
Take the last number.
Okay, that's a lot easier than what I tried to do.
Oh, if you try to plug it in, you might get yourself in a world of hurt.
Yeah, I did that, and then I tried to find the x, and then I'm like, wait, that's not what we want.
Yeah. -35 here. You good? All right. Let me ask you this. Let's just real quick, write the equation. With zeros, 7, negative 4i, and positive 4i. All right, try that. Stats, we're on you. Probability of male, what is it? 1/2, right? 30 out of 60? Probability of yes? 34 out of 60. You can reduce that down to 17 over 30 if you're interested.
Do we have to reduce on the test?
You should, but I don't care. All right. Female or no?
42 out of 60.
42 out of 60. Love you, baby. Take care. Male and yes. 18 out of 60. All right. Female given no. 14 out of what? 14 out of what? 14 out of 26. Now, how do we do that? Female given no. Think about this as a fraction almost. How many people said no? 26. Out of those 26, how many of them were female?
14.
You good? Yeah. Is that the scratch and sniff kind? Oh, wow. Someone must really love you to give you that.
Yeah, I think they do.
You got a scratch and sniff bracelet. You're just jealous.
I was
Sorry.
saying it was cute.
Make that double.
They got two. They match. For life. Questions on this? We're going to go one more like this, and then a bonus question, speed round. Spencer, you're going to love the speed round.
I don't think I will, honestly.
Let's go probability. And then let's select 4 different people. What's the probability they all said yes? Speed round. Speed round. All right, Mom, what did you get for the first one?
2x plus 3 over x squared plus 3.
Perfect. What did you get for this one?
2 over 3 parentheses 2x plus 3 to the negative 2/3.
Say it again.
2 over 3 parentheses 2x plus 3 close parentheses exponent is negative 2/3.
So this is 1/3 ln 2x plus 3, yes? Formula for this is on the bottom, this is on top.
Oh, I didn't do that.
So it's 2/3 times 1 over 2x plus 3. See, with this one, it's 2x plus 3 over x squared plus 3x plus 4. Is that what you said? So you got that one right. You just missed this one because of the exponent.
Yeah, added.
Yeah. So with the power rule, you subtract 1, but you don't subtract 1 with logarithms because you move the power to the front. Okay. Now, let's go next level. Who do you have?
Yeah.
Oh, he's definitely going next level. He over top. You can tell if I said that shit. I don't even care how long you deny.
What? Do you know the x?
Let's go y equals 3x plus ln x.
It goes down the middle. It goes down the
Four.
middle of the type of parabola.
Slice y
What is
front.
that? What is that?
And then,
Yeah, x.
because we can, You know what, I ain't gonna do that. Let's just do that. I was going to tell you to find the tangent line of the perpendicular at 3, 0, but no.
Choose or whatever.
No. It's 4 different people though. Different people is a big deal. Different people is a big deal. All right.
You remember this?
Girl, you know I'm 50-50. And I say 50-50, give myself a hell of a lot more credit than I deserve. All right. Is this a function? You agree? No? You all right back there? Okay. Fails the vertical line test, right? Domain, go.
-4, +4?
-4 to 4. We want to put those in brackets.
And then I got -2 to +2.
-2 to 2.
Yeah, because the zeros, you know we can't do zeros. You told us that.
Yeah, I did. It was right there, too. All right, you good, man? What happened? Come on now. You're here. Might as well- Let's get it figured out while you're here. You got plenty of time to forget the shit when you get home. What's wrong? What did you want to put?
So, I was,
It's okay.
I was gonna put all the domains and all the ranges.
Yeah, so here's the problem. When you look at the way we did it yesterday, when we had this problem, where we wrote it like this, right?
Yeah.
And then we did the domain was 1, 2, 5,
Yeah.
right? We said the range was 3, 4, 7, right? That's different than this because these are connected with a graph. If it's connected with a graph, that's altogether different. That's starting point, ending point. So in your head, you're seeing it right. Like the other day, we had a bunch of points. This is the way we listed them. You're right about that. We did do it that way, but that was it didn't come with a graph. See, if I give it to you this way, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7. As soon as I connect them, now we're 1 to 5 endpoint.
-7 pass, which is.
Now we're 1, 2, 5 because they're not connected. Okay, it's a very small, and that's why being here on these days makes a big difference because it's a very small distinction, but on the test that distinction is 5 points. All right, we good? Can we leave this alone? Let's go here
Next
now.
tomorrow you do one for them so they'll
Wait.
caught up.
Why you do brackets? Why you just don't do
Bracket because it touches -4 and it touches +4. If it touches, we use the bracket.
If we don't touch it, no bracket.
Parentheses.
We get X. X plus 3. X plus 3. And then the X intercept will be X.
It'd be X.
Exactly.
You said do one of those tomorrow?
Yeah, two. Yeah.
They should be here. They can get a sandwich
So
too.
you want. So.
They could have been here. They could have got a sandwich too, you know?
Oh, you talking about yesterday?
Plus.
Yeah. He said tomorrow. He said we got to do one tomorrow for everybody
No,
else.
no, I'm just talking about like that. You know, just to make sure, you know, refreshing him.
Okay, yeah, I got y'all there. I got y'all there. I got y'all. Maybe we'll give out $5.
Yeah, maybe.
No, maybe not. No.
Why you do that?
I said maybe.
F of X equals X squared minus 3X plus 5.
Turning it into X equals -3.
Find F of 4.
If it was a 7.
F of -2.
Then you'd be right. You'd be X equals 7.
So I got to do it twice.
Yeah, you got 2 problems, A and B. F of X equals 1 over X minus 9. Find the domain.
Okay, so that means.
Mama, we're on you. What'd you get?
9 over X 6.
64 y to the 9th, X to the 6th. Excellent.
Perfect.
This is going to be 4 to the 3rd, X to the -6, y to the 9th. We multiply, raised. Negative exponents will go from top to bottom, from bottom to top. We're good. This one right here.
25y over 8, I mean,
I can't see.
split that. Okay, y raised to the 8, and then x, yeah, 2. Well, where's your 25? Why is it went there? Not done there.
5 raised to the negative 2
Also, the other thing I did is.
gets shifted to the bottom.
Because I knew that one of them was like a 1 positive. And one of them is.
The same way the x got shifted to the bottom here,
Yeah.
the 5 is being raised to the negative 2 here, yes?
Yeah.
So it gets shifted to the bottom.
Okay.
You good? You sure? Erase? Start again? Let's try those two. Let's try those two. All right. What's up, Prime Time? How are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm good.
All right. What's up, Enzo? Any sandwiches left, Enzo?
Yes.
Dar? You sure? Grab you a sandwich, man. There's some really good sauce in there. I recommend spicy sriracha. Spicy sriracha, put hair on your chest. Shoot, buddy, it's good as shit. You don't like it? I eat that shit by the just put my finger in there. All right. Spicy sriracha, man, I'm telling you. All right. Vertex, is it maximum point or minimum point?
Max.
Maximum point. What is the maximum value? What's the equation of the axis of symmetry?
X equals 5.
Let's pause there. Let's pause there. We good?
What is maximum?
Yeah, so if the parabola is concave down, then this is a maximum point.
Right.
If it's concave up, then this is a minimum point.
And you want us to use the y value for that?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh wait, so is the vertex maximum or minimum?
In this case, it's a maximum because it's concave.
Yeah, and it's 3.
Yeah, the highest value is 3.
Yeah. Alright, so 5.
All right. All right. Did you write that equation?
Are we doing vertex backwards?
No. This is the x-intercepts. So if this is the x-intercepts, what was the factors? If that's the x-intercepts, what were the factors?
2x plus 7 and x minus 6.
2x plus 7 and x minus 6 would have had to be the factors. You're working your way backwards off of the x-intercepts. See, remember, if the x-intercepts are 6 and negative 7 halves, subtract 6, x minus 6 is equal to 0, this would have been a factor. Right? If x equals negative 7 halves, then 2x was equal to negative 7, and 2x plus 7 would have been equal to 0. This would have been a factor. Alright? Hey, Z-Dog, did Lily help you with that?
No, Peter did.
Way to go,
We
Spider.
talked through it.
Way to go. Alright, now, once you get to there, you're not done. 2x squared minus 5x minus 42. And that's your equation.
I got confused in the first part where you
Wait, say it again?
where you plugged 6 and negative 7 over 2 and
Yeah?
so wait, what do you do exactly in the beginning?
When I got x equals 6, I worked backwards to get the factor. That's x minus 6.
Yes.
When I got x equals negative 7 halves,
You just work backwards.
I just worked backwards to get to the factor.
Okay.
Once I got the two factors, multiply them out, and now you have the equation. We good?
X.
We good? Enzo, what class you in, baby? You good? Can I erase? Do I need to do another one like this, or can we move topics?
What are you moving to?
Well, more shit. I mean, it's gonna be what's on your test, though.
I would say move.
Move?
Yeah, well, I'm not great at the thing we did before, like all of the, like reading graphs.
Oh, yeah, you gotta be good at that shit, too. Oh, yeah, you gotta be good at that. Easy talk. Let's go f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Let's figure out when f of x is equal to 0, f of x is greater than 0, f of x is less or equal to 0. All right, Mama. You ready? Oh, shit. All right. We're writing the equation. We got x minus 7, x plus 4i, x minus 4i. Do we agree? I'll deal with this part first. X squared plus 16. Do you agree?
I didn't get that.
X squared x times negative 4i plus x times positive 4i, excuse me, minus 4ix. These cancel, giving me negative 4 or 16i squared, yes? Negative 16i squared? If you distribute this piece, x squared minus 4ix plus 4ix cancel, minus 16i squared. What's I squared equal to? Negative 1, right? So then that becomes positive 16. Yeah?
I didn't get the 16 part, but I got everything else.
All right. Then you got x minus 7 times that. Distribute, yeah? X cubed minus 7x squared plus 16x minus 102, 112? Just kidding? Sound good? Can you go next level?
Yeah.
Let's try next level. Same idea, next level thinking though. Here we go. We're going to say zeros are 6, 3 plus I, 3 minus I. That's next level. That's next level. Stats. We on you. How many males are there? 30. Out of those 30, how many of them said yes? 18. All right. Select 4 different people, which probably all said yes. How many people said yes? 34, yes? So it's 34 out of 60 times 33 out of 59 times 32 out of 58 times 31 out of 57. I told you it was next level.
On the test, can we answer with that, or do you want?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, you could simplify that, but I wouldn't. I mean, right now I'm trying to do it in my head just so I can look smart. But if I get that right, I'm going to look more like a nerd than smart, so I'm just going to leave it alone. I would impress nobody, and everybody was like this, fucking nerd. And Amber already says it when she goes home anyway.
That's the answer to the first one.
Right.
All right.
And then after that.
You good?
Yeah, that's what I'm.
So you have to find.
Next level.
No.
How next level is the test gonna be though?
Extreme level.
How many days to be
Yeah.
Is it gonna be like the type of stuff in your videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want the test 2 review?
No, that's the last one I haven't watched.
Yeah, same. I'm about to watch that today.
Enjoy.
I want.
That review sheet. Beat your ass.
I know.
Love you. I mean, don't watch it. Don't even worry about it.
You look at that 20% turn in blank.
Turn it in blank, I'll give you a 20. Alright.
Please
Is the
come
video
on.
that you put on the files yesterday, is that different? Like that's not, that video's not your playlist?
No.
Okay.
No, that was a lecture I gave at some point in time. I don't know when.
Yeah, it would just be.
Which I was told earlier today that it was too long of a video.
How long is it?
I don't know, an hour or so.
I don't even think, it's possible.
Do you recommend watching?
I could make it.
If we watch other videos on your YouTube.
You can watch all the other videos on YouTube. You don't need to watch the video. You only watch that video now.
If I watch the whole video through, I'm gonna record myself doing this.
Alright. Do we need to do the earn? Y'all just want to skip that?
No, please just skip it.
Okay, we'll skip the earn.
I'll just get 5 points. I'll just not really worry about it, I think.
Okay, fair enough. Let's go here. Let's go multiple choice test.
So do we?
A, B, C, D, E are your choices. We got 7 questions.
It's not from a it's only these two.
What's the probability we get exactly 3 correct?
This section is the below here, this part. So it's a
What's the probability we get at most 3? What's the mean? What's the standard deviation? All right, Mama. Did you get a sandwich? Baby, if you're going to work problems, you have to get a sandwich. It's like how the system works. Amber, like, there's no perk in being here other than the damn sandwich.
Hey, so I'm getting like
We're just trying to.
You want another one? You want another one?
Because I'm broke.
It's positive, so it's facing
Yeah, it's just so you can-
We have.
You're getting Amber's and he's getting hers. Just-
We don't have that.
That's what I'm talking about. That shit with Black Panther right there.
Right here.
Oh. All right.
Oh, there's like a lot. I'm not counting that. This is like a lot.
If you want another one, grab another one. Or just tell my man right here, he passed them out like we had Thanksgiving dinner with friends.
Alright, look, keep it open. We got two.
Wait.
Don't knock somebody out.
Z-Dog, can you catch? All right, give it to Z-Dog. 'Cause that was real close to my friend Leanne, I was mad. Lily, you better duck.
I love how the tag well done.
That means no pickles. They're not wasting all their no pickles the stickers on my ass. Didn't we? We had to have that one. It's just like.
How many are
I'm probably asking for the vegan plate at Thanksgiving. All right. You ready, baby? We got 4. 3x plus ln x cubed. Now we got to do the derivative of the inside, right? 3 plus 1 over x. X squared plus y squared squared. 4x squared y. And what are you trying to find? dy dx? So, here you got to use implicit differentiation, yes?
2x squared plus y squared, 2x plus 2y dy. For the first
No, I don't know why I thought this was a better option. This becomes 4x cubed. This becomes 4xy squared plus 4x squared y dy dx plus 4y cubed dy dx equals 8x y plus 4x squared dy dx. Yeah. I think if you multiply this out, it might help you a lot.
I kept it as 4x with that.
If you did 2x squared plus y squared, I think multiply that out is a better option for you. And then, do I need to finish it there? Can you handle it?
I'll have to do ready x's and then.
Yeah, well, you gotta get them all on the same side, right? So move this, move this, move this, and then you're home free. Your final answer would be 4x cubed plus 4xy squared minus 8xy over 4y cubed plus 4x squared minus 4x squared y. I think it's somewhere in that area.
I have that, I just didn't.
Okay. You good? You want to say another one, or you just want to keep working on your homework? It's your call. I'll give it to you.
Can do another one. Thank you.
So let's give you y equals, let's go cube root 3x plus 5 ln. Have you done e yet? E to the x plus square root 2x squared plus 5. That's fine. You got it, babe? Okay. Thanks for kidding.
I say it's just sauce combination.
Wait, did he just go buffalo sauce, mustard, and mayonnaise?
Looks like it.
Steve, you tough, man. That's a hearty combination right there. I've been trying to figure out who the hell puts mustard on a chicken sandwich anyway. Steve does, yeah, clearly.
I personally don't eat sandwiches a lot.
No, I understand, Steve. Big food. Turn off. Yeah, yeah. All right. Alpha 4, what do we got? You know? What is it?
Well, I don't know if I did it right.
What'd you get?
I did it 2 ways.
All right.
My first way I got 9.
9's right. You got 9?
I got 15 for B.
All right, so this is 4 squared minus 3 times 4 plus 5. 16 minus 12 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, right?
Yeah.
All right, f of negative 2. Negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus 5.
This is a positive 4 since it's squared, right?
Yep, positive 4 plus 6 plus 5. We're looking at 15.
Okay.
You got 15?
Yeah.
I didn't understand bottom part.
Bottom part I got
Came through the plus, baby. Came through the plus, baby.
it was negative infinity and positive 9.
Yes, negative infinity to 9.
And then negative 9 and
No, 9. Keep the same number.
oh yeah, I thought you did it 2 ways yesterday.
9 to infinity. Whatever number you use, you keep that number twice.
Never go okay.
Don't change the sign.
Cool.
You good?
And then when we're supposed to do x minus 9 equals 0 and all that.
That's what we did.
Yeah. Okay.
X minus 9 equals 0, x equals 9, and that becomes the number that you put right here and here.
Cool.
All right, using parentheses there, not brackets.
Yeah.
Okay. We good?
Now,
Let's try that one again.
always way to do it. Right? I got to make answers. No.
I love you.
Say that. That's some cheating.
You can do it. Don't get overwhelmed. You're getting overwhelmed.
I ain't getting overwhelmed. I know. I'm just there.
You got it. You got it. Child's play for you. Child's play for you. Amber!
Yeah.
Amber! Get it right, I'll give you a Snickers. Go 2 for 2, I'll give you a Snickers and the Twix.
I don't like Snickers.
Screw you then. You get nothing.
X8 over 36, y 2.
X to the 8th over 36, y to the 2nd. There's your first one.
Y15 over 27, x9. No. What'd I do?
Negative 27, y to the 15th over x to the 9th. The 27 does not move because this is not a negative exponent.
Oh.
See, don't fall for the, if it's negative, I gotta move it bullshit. That's only if it's an exponent that you gotta move it. If the exponent's not negative, that number's not moving. Yes, baby.
I got one question.
Yeah.
We ain't plugging in that.
No.
So that means
Just straight finding the domain.
These are 3 different ones.
Yep, 3 different problems.
And all domains.
All domain.
Cool.
And one of them is negative infinity to infinity, but I won't tell you which one.
I gotta go.
You gotta go, baby?
Yeah.
Perfect.
See you tomorrow.
Love you, honey. We'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.
All right, we on you. Spider-Man, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Y'all are welcome, by the way. Making that factor. Oh. Well, then you ain't welcome then.
No, I just factored it.
If you factor it, you get x equals 1 and x equals 1/3. Yes?
Yes.
Use quadratic
Yes.
All right, so if you use quadratic formula, you get 1/3 and 1, yes? All right, so we good then. We good, baby. We good. Now, when I graph this is the problem. It's concave up. It crosses through 1/3 and 1. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
That's what that looks like.
Yes, sir.
Not negative, right?
Where's the line? Where's the line in the middle so I can have a reference where it is?
This is the line in the middle. That's 0.
You mean the y?
Yeah, the Y.
Oh.
Yeah.
But see, Steve, for a problem like this, where I'm looking at equals 0, greater than 0, less than 0, where the y-axis doesn't even matter. It's relatively arbitrary. All I really care about is where the x-axis is and where it crosses the x-axis. Those are the 2 points that are of interest to me. The y-intercept doesn't even matter. Because we're not looking at that anyway. When's it greater than 0?
Negative 1/3 and union 1/3.
Negative infinity to 1/3. Union 1 to infinity. I heard what you said. I don't think I didn't hear it. I just didn't acknowledge it. What's the less than or equal to 0, Enzo?
I wrote it right.
Oh,
Shit, I got you, Enzo. Don't even worry about it.
When it comes to quadratic formula, whenever you're doing, you're finalizing your answers. Will you do like the smallest numbers first?
Yes. Yeah. Interval notation, you gotta do the small number first.
Okay, so that will be on intervals.
Yeah.
what's the reason for the last one? Being 1/3?
When's it less than or equal to 0? That's below this line, yeah? Less than 0 means below. Greater than 0 means above.
That makes sense.
All right, so that's what we're looking at. When's it less than 0? It's below this line. All right. Big time, you good? You good? What class you in? Oh, yeah, that beat your ass over there, didn't it? You didn't want none of that. You got them all right?
I mean, I got the first one and the last two.
Alright.
That middle one.
We good here?
Yes, sir.
We good, Greg?
Yeah. Wait, how you get it?
It's a yes, what?
How you get it over, beneath the zero?
How did I get this bottom part?
Yeah, how you know it's below zero?
Oh, how do I know it's below zero? Great question. I know it's concave up, yes? I know it crosses at 1/3 and 1.
Yeah.
So if it crosses here and here, and it's concave up, it's got to go below. I mean, there's no other way to do it other than that. You see what I'm saying? If it were concave down, it would go the other way. All right. Questions on this? Questions on this? All right, we're going to stop you guys with that. It's almost 2:30.
1:30 tomorrow?
What's that?
1:30 tomorrow?
Yeah, 1:30 tomorrow. Pizza.
1:30.
I'll be,
Pizza tomorrow, 1:30.
I'll be here.
All right, son.
me too.
That's the spirit, Steve.
I got it. So,
What's that?
I got at least like.
Oh yeah, no, I agree.
I'd rather delude myself to be not at least.
Yeah. You're good, baby. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, college Houser, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Mama, you ready?
Yeah, I know I got it wrong, but I tried.
Hey, you want to come with me?
Oh, you take it. Take it. All right, so you got x minus 6, yes? X minus 3 plus I?
Thanks for holding these seminars.
You're welcome, baby. Take care, love you. Love you, take care. Sorry, man. All right. You get to that one?
No,
Huh?
I didn't, no.
Okay. All right, Z-Dog, be blessed now.
You too, sir.
So each one of these turns into a factor, yes?
Yeah.
So it's going to be x minus whatever this is, x minus whatever this is, x minus whatever this is.
Yeah, so what I did that, but I didn't put a parenthesis around like the -3 minus.
Oh, you need to.
Yeah, so that's where I messed up.
Yeah, baby.
Going on.
Yeah, it's going to be a pain in the ass. Love you, man. We'll see you tomorrow. Love you, Enzo. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Any sandwiches left? Any sandwiches left? Please tell me there's at least one.
There's 5.
Okay. All right. You can have another sandwich, but I'd like to have one. Because if not, I gotta go to Chick-fil-A and buy that shit again myself. Which kind of sucks. Right, Spencer? So I can go to Dairy Queen, but then they charge me double. All right. We good to hear? Spencer's like, that shit is old. I don't know why you keep saying that.
Like 2 semesters ago.
Yeah, exactly, right? Now, let me show you a shortcut. Okay, this is a shortcut of all shortcuts. This is going to be great. When I show you this is going to be like so revolutionary. You're going to be like, oh my God, I'm so glad I saw that.
I hope so.
Or you're going to say, I never want to see that again. Let's think about it like this. X minus 3 minus I. X minus 3 plus I. It is. But here's what's revolutionary. If you write it this way, it's x minus 6 times, this then becomes the difference of 2 squares. X minus 3 squared minus I squared.
Okay.
See, if it's x plus 7, x minus 7, you understand it's x squared minus 49. You're just writing that down. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. X minus 3 minus I, x minus 3 plus I is the difference of 2 squares. It's x minus 3 squared minus I squared. But here's what's so revolutionary about it. And this is why it makes your problem so much easier. Because then you're taking the x minus 3 squared, you're making that x squared minus 6x plus 9, and you're taking the I squared and turning it into a positive 1. That's revolutionary. See? This x minus 3 squared is x minus 3 times x minus 3. X squared minus minus 6x plus 9. I squared we know is negative 1. Negative 1 become positive 1.
Okay.
Right? Now what we have is x minus 6, x squared minus 6x plus 10. Oh shit. My bad. My bad. My bad. It's revolutionary though. Oh wait, I was showing it over there. What the fuck I did? Okay. Now we here, right? Now we just gotta finish this up.
And then you just.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, when you say now you just,
Distribute.
yeah. I mean, am I good to just do that
Yeah. Okay.
and give you the final answer, or do I need to even do that?
You don't have to give me the final answer.
Okay, we're good then.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean, just distribute it and get an answer.
Yeah.
You're done.
Yeah.
All right. You good?
Yeah. I'm processing.
Okay.
Buffering.
All right. Let me know if I need to come back to it.
You're good. I wrote it down.
All right. Yeah, I mean, I can give you the final answer, but it's pretty straightforward. You good? All right, we're going to leave that alone. Stats. We on ya. Now, Spencer says that when it comes to the earns, we're just going to skip that one.
I mean, we can go over it, but
No, we ain't going over it, because you said you're going to skip it.
I'll try, but.
You know, it's funny that I have students who are like, hell bent they're going to get the earn up right. And they spend the whole time working on the earn, and I'm like, it's still only 5 points.
Okay, accept defeat.
Right? Sometimes you just got to go like this, you know what? Wasn't trying to get 100 anyway. I'll take a 95.
Just trying to get just trying to get like a 70 at least.
Let me just find the ones I can get. For some people, that stuff turns into like a personal vendetta. Like that the earn insulted their mother or something, and it's like...
Now we have like 5 minutes.
Yeah. All right, exactly 3 correct. 7 choose 3. 1/5 to the 3rd. 4/5 to the 4th.
I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea how the 7 choose 3 thing.
What do you mean?
I don't think.
Why I have that?
Yeah, I don't know where.
Okay, so look, we have 7 questions, right?
Yeah.
I don't know which 3 I'm going to get. It might be check, 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 X, 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 but it could be X, X, check, X, check, check, X. I don't know what combination of 3 I'm going to get. I just know that when it's all said and done, I've gotten 3 right and 4 wrong. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's where this comes in. Now, if I say, what are the chances you get the first 3 right and the last 4 wrong, then you don't need this, because this is the first 3 right and the last 4 wrong. But when I say exactly 3, you don't know which 3 they are, hence the need for the 7 choose 3. Okay? The students will ask, do we ever use P there? No, never. Ever. Ever.
So that's great.
Never. Now, what's at most 3? At most 3 means what? It'd be what? Don't forget 0. Everybody forgets 0.
Then would we do like, it wouldn't include negative numbers then, right?
No.
Okay.
You can't get negative numbers, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, you couldn't do that.
Just making sure.
Yeah, just making sure. So probably to get 0 right is 4 to the 5th, raise to the 7th.
That's it.
That's 0, right? Now you gotta get 1 right, which is 7 choose 1. 1/5 to the 1st, 4/5 to the 6th.
Unless we're at
Then you gotta get 2 right, which is 7 choose 2. 1/5 to the 2nd, 4/5 to the 5th. And then probably the 3, which you already did.
Oh.
That's tough. That's real tough.
You still giving out prize packs?
Yeah, why, what do you want?
A t-shirt. But I'll answer a question. I don't want the t-shirt for free.
Okay. What's the mean standard deviation?
1.4 and 1.06.
This is 7 times 1/5, which is 7/5, which is 1.4. And then what did you say the other one was?
1.06.
Yes. I agree. It is 7 times 1/5 times 4/5. 1 point, what did you say it was?
0.06.
Sounds good to me. I think it's, yeah. Because I took 1.4, multiplied by 0.8, and I think you get 1.02. You squared it 1.02. I'm not sure that's right.
How did I go on the calculator?
Okay, that's good enough. All right. Just wait for a second. I think I might have something up there for you. I'm sure I gotta have some shit up there for you. All kinds of shit up there, so I gotta be something you can wear. All right. I should have thought about this being the last problem I was going to work today before I write that shit up there. So you won't multiply that. You got to use product rule. Oh, you didn't want to do it.
Well, I didn't know if I had to.
Yeah, you got the product rule. So this is going to be 1/3 3x plus 5 to the negative 2/3 times 3. Right? Times this piece. Yeah.
I can't differentiate those.
Bye, man. We'll see you later on.
I don't know if I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, Spencer. Love you, man. You cannot do both at the same time. You got to do derivative of this times this, and then it's derivative of this times that. Does that make sense?
I think this was.
This is.
I think.
Hey, yell for Spencer and tell me he left his water bottle in here.
Spencer, did you leave your water bottle? He did.
Spencer's so pissed off, he's just trying to get the hell out of here.
Why can't I solve them both at the same time?
So, well, you can do them both at the same time, I guess, but you still got to do the product rule.
So, that's fine. I solved them both and then I just left them next to each other. And didn't.
You see, put a plus, got it. You see what I'm- Put a plus in between them?
If I differentiate the both, can I just, like, multiply them regularly? Or would it still be a product?
No, you still got to do the product. Jesus Christ. So you're going to get, doing the derivative of this piece, that goes on top, right? The bottom of it goes on the bottom, so it's going to be e to the x squared root 2x squared plus 5 is on the bottom, right? Derivative of this piece is e to the x, and then 1/2. This piece is 2x squared plus 5 to negative 1/2 times rid of this piece, which is 4x. So that's just 2x. So this is going to be e to the x plus 2x over the square root 2x squared plus 5 over e to the x plus the square root of 2x squared plus 5. Okay? Plus this piece. You have to do the product rule. Okay? That might be a little harder than you think you did, but you definitely need to be able to do the product rule as it relates to the elements. That's guaranteed. All right? Let him know.
Thank you.
All right. Leanna, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. One more thing before you leave. Can you explain the factorial thing?
That is the number of ways you can order 4 objects. So just give me 1 second. You get done with her and then I'll help you. All right. Leanna, here's the thing. That's out of the way of the camera. Leanna, here's the deal. It's negative infinity to infinity unless you can set the bottom equal to 0. So this one is just negative infinity to infinity.
I was just trying to make sure I said negative infinity and.
Don't say 2. See, a lot of people set this equal to 0 and they make a mistake. It's just negative infinity to infinity because this is not a fraction. Now, if it's a fraction, then you set it equal to 0 and you're doing your thing. It's not a fraction though, so we leave it alone. Alright?
So, I got that one right then.
Okay, so now this one, what do you do?
Top one?
Yep.
I got negative infinity and 5. Oh.
Negative 4. Set this equal to 0.
I didn't know, I had put 5 in the beginning, and I thought that's probably why I got confused with that one.
Set it equal to 0. 2x equals negative 8. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is negative 4.
Okay.
Negative infinity to negative 4. Negative 4 to infinity. Right? What's this one going to be?
So that's gonna be the same way, right?
Yep. So 3x is equal to 7. X is 7/3, yes?
Yes.
So negative infinity to 7/3. Union 7/3 to infinity.
So I could write it as a fraction when they have.
Or you write it as a decimal.
That's what I was trying to make sure.
2.33 would also get the job done.
And then positive, that was the only one, and that was the 2 negatives. Gotcha.
You good, baby?
Yep.
Let me see something. Who asked me for sure? It's kind of big, but
It's okay, I like big t-shirts. Thank you.
it's jogging for the noggin right there. All right, Leanna, you good?
Yeah, I was right.
Thank you.
Love you, man. Take care.
So I can read and understand, because I had a pen today. So I've been writing a bit of stuff.
All right, now, the question is about factorial, right?
Yeah, it was like this one question
Okay.
on your video, and it was like, I was like something about like the questions like 4 questions, but I didn't know why it wasn't like 1/4 times 1/3 times 1/2, and it was 4 times 3 times 2.
All right, so here's the deal. Let's say I go to the soda machine, right? Soda machine's got, you know, Pepsi, Powerade. Let's say it's got 6 different drinks. Okay? If I say I'm going to buy all 6 drinks, how many ways can I do that? Now, I'm not buying a subset of those drinks. I'm telling you I'm buying all 6 versions of them, right? And I can do it from top to bottom. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give them to me. I can do it from bottom to top. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can do 3, 4, 5 because y'all are standing there and you wanted those first, and then buy the rest of them. There's 6 factorial ways I can buy up all 6. Does that make sense? Now if I say, shit, there's 6 of them, but I really only want 2. Now I'm picking 2 out of that 6. I'm not doing all 6 anymore. That then becomes a combination because I'm choosing a small group from a larger population. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So specifically, my bad, we love you.
See you later.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, in the morning.
If it's taking a piece out of a group, that's a combination permutation problem. If it's just the number of ways that you can order something, then that's factorial.
And then
Okay.
in the like video, you like did the factorial, but then you put it like 1 over the answer.
Yeah, I may have. I don't
You
know.
have to do that.
Well, if it asks for a probability,
Then you do.
then you have to give it a fraction.
Okay, so you're
Probability is a fraction, right? If I give you the number of combinations, then that's a factorial when you don't put it as a probability.
So for those, you just put the answer as a probability.
Yeah.
I got confused and I started doing like, instead of 6 times 5 times, I did 1/6 times 1/5.
The same thing.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay. Thank you.
All good? Thank you, ladies. Thanks for bringing your friend.
Oh, yeah, of course.
She may never want to come back. But that's okay. I still love her.